Brabus has taken the already formidable Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE performance and transformed it into an even more exhilarating beast. Known for pushing the limits of high-performance vehicles, Brabus has reworked the factory hybrid SUV, increasing the output to a staggering 720 horsepower and 1,120 Nm of torque. This impressive upgrade comes from the addition of Brabus's PowerXtra B20E730 piggyback control unit, which boosts the turbocharged four-cylinder engine's power, providing even quicker acceleration and heightened driving dynamics. With the Brabus enhancements, the GLC 63S now sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds, down from the factory's 3.5 seconds, thanks to the extra 49 horsepower generated purely from the petrol engine's performance boost. This translates to a driving experience that's both agile and explosive, despite the vehicle's luxury crossover weight. Its top speed remains electronically limited to 275 km per hour, which is still incredibly fast for an SUV. The hybrid system's electric motor and battery remain unchanged, preserving the stock 201 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. This means the increase in power is strictly from the petrol engine, allowing the Brabus 730 GLC 63S to offer impressive acceleration and cornering capabilities without compromising the hybrid setup's efficiency. Visually, Brabus has outfitted the GLC 63 with a striking array of enhancements. The SUV now rides on 21 or 22-inch monoblock Z Platinum Edition forged wheels that reduce weight and improve handling. The example shown features 22x 9.5-inch wheels at the front and 22x 10.5-inch wheels at the rear, contributing to the vehicle's aggressive stance and superior performance. For those looking to make a bold statement, Brabus offers a suite of carbon fiber upgrades, including front grille inserts, a lip spoiler, front bumper garnish, and a rear diffuser. The rear diffuser, priced at €11,781, stands out as one of the most premium upgrades available, allowing for a fully customized appearance with both gloss and matte finishes. These high-quality carbon fiber pieces not only enhance the SUV's visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics. Inside, Brabus has elevated the luxury experience with illuminated kick plates, aluminum pedals, and custom velour floor mats, embroidered with the Brabus logo. Premium velour trunk mats further elevate the SUV's interior, making every detail reflect the performance-oriented yet luxurious atmosphere. While the Brabus 730 GLC 63 SE performance offers a thrilling driving experience, some enthusiasts might still prefer the traditional V8 engine found in previous AMG models. Nonetheless, the Brabus 730 represents a bold vision for hybrid performance SUVs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a four-cylinder engine in a high-performance crossover. In terms of sheer power, design, and exclusivity, the Brabus 730 GLC 63 SE performance stands as one of the most exciting performance SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for blistering acceleration, head-turning aesthetics, or just a truly powerful driving experience, the Brabus 730 GLC 63 SE performance has it all.